Howdy, howdy, everybody. I figure if nothing else, I'll do a little bit of riding around. I'm waiting to get the GPS stuff set up for the 200X here, just so we can do some speed testing real quick with the bad boy here. But if nothing else, I figure we could at least go ride along, see what we can do here. Try not to get dirty. Alrighty, so just keep in mind, this thing's that speedometer is about 6 or 7 mile an hour slow when you run it up there. Y'all may have seen it. It went up to about 63, but it'll roll out. I've tested with a few other GPSs. 68 seems to be the number. 68, 69 if you run it wide open. She's a wild machine. Thank you for watching.